Can you say hi to your daddy? Where's Daddy? She at work? Daddy working hard? Say hi, Daddy. Can you tell Daddy that you love him and you miss him? Yeah. Say, come home soon, Daddy. I really miss you. Tell Daddy. Come here, Garfy Cat. You can tell Daddy, too. Do you want to... Oh! Maybe that's Daddy.